Hello guys, so this is the second video for the Deeper Connect. The first video I talked about how to set up your Deeper Connect and also how to connect to your router or your home router using the Deeper Connect and the difference between DPS and VPS. So here in this particular section, I will teach you guys how to set up your Deeper Connect. So when you come to your Wi-Fi, all you have to do is to come over here and come over this section and set up your SSID. Your SSID is your router name, which you can see we have already set up our SSID and assign a strong password for your Wi-Fi. So what this does is that it creates a Wi-Fi whereby you can connect to other network to your DPN through the Wi-Fi. So that is how it works. And now what we need to do is to go over here and then change our DPS password. Remember that the DPS password we used then was admin, which is the default password. So you then enter the old password, which is the admin, and then give it a strong password and also repeat the same password. So next, what we need to do is to set up our, wizard. So in our wizard section, what we need to do is to set up this is kind of an instruction on how to configure your Deeper Connect or guiding you on how to set up your Deeper Connect. So you choose the preferred one. For me, as I told you before, we have already gone through this process. So next thing we need to do is to go over here where it says device reset. So if you want to reset your device, or probably you are missing some stuff, or maybe there is a configuration that you made, wrong configuration into your Deeper Connect, what you need to do is to come over here where it says reset and then reset your Deeper Connect. So in your Deeper Connect, you can still update your Deeper Connect device by coming over to the devices and then check on the manual upgrade. Sometimes it requires a manual upgrade, which when you search over through the automatic upgrade, it might not go through the automatic update for the latest Deeper Connect firmware. So what you need to do is to come over here and click on manual upgrade to upgrade your Deeper Connect. So which will take a little while. So when you're done updating your Deeper Connect device, you will see the version of the device that you are running. Now, my Deeper Connect, as you can see, is a mini device. So you will see the version being updated here, and then the assigned which is your IP address, which is your internet proxy, and also the max number of season that you have run with this particular IP, which you can see over here. So that is all for the Deeper Connect. And also we have ads blocker. This ad blocker is used for filtering most of these websites, like blocking most of the websites, which is not required. So here is the parental control where you also do the same thing by blocking some sites. So what you need to do if you want to block some sites is to go over here and you can see most of these sites that are not being allowed if you want to keep everything blocked. So you select the site and then block few of the sites. So here in our security, you can create a custom DNS and set up a rules for the DNS. And this you have to go through by setting up a specific DNS that you want to assign or block all at the same time. So that's all about Deeper Connect. So if you find this video very helpful, as I said, you should remember to click on the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell. So each time we make a post, you'll be the first to get the notification. And also, do not forget to share to family and friends. And see you next time. Take care.